What's up, everybody? This is Brian Pfeiffer, marketingmeathead.com, and today I'm going to tell you how we made $116,000 in 1 week in commissions. All right, so if you don't know, I do a little bit of affiliate marketing on the side. I have a secondary business that I typically do in the winter months, fall and winter, and then in the summer months I have a nightclub business in Las Vegas. Well, most of you probably already know that the nightclub business fell off the map due to our little illness that's going around. And I don't see it coming back anytime soon. In fact, I just saw an article about a club in, I think it was South Korea, that spread, the illness around, and now they closed like all 2,100 clubs in all of South Korea. So I just have a feeling that the business of nightclub in Las Vegas is not coming back anytime soon. So the good news is I have another skill set, and I've been doing this business for quite a while. Now I'm going on like 5 years. I've actually had 3 coaching products I've put out, and I've had a lot of successful students over the years. And right now we have hit a monster campaign, and you can see the numbers right here. We're doing almost $116,000 a week in commissions. Insane numbers. ROI is very solid on this as well, but it's not like you think, guys. The only thing that's different here is it's an actual system that we've built that is actually just printing money. Okay, it's not like a simple little 3-step system that a lot of people are advertising. That's a good way to get your account banned nowadays on Facebook, and it is on ClickBank, which is fine. There's a lot of decent products on ClickBank, but you have to know how to run them properly on the traffic sources so you don't get your accounts banned. As you can see by our numbers, that we're doing incredible numbers. I mean, we're doing about $20,000 a day on average, or somewhere in that neighborhood. And it's been very consistent. Okay, I'm actually building out another system right now. I spent the whole weekend designing a whole nother system that I'm going to launch probably sometime this week. I got to warm up a new account and whatnot, and then I'm going to use that system in my up and coming new program called the Digital Entrepreneur System, the DES for short. We're going to have a very nice full-length course filmed from beginning to end, completely all brand new. All the latest stuff that's working in 2020, and we're actually going to have about like anywhere from 9 to 10 case studies, all in the last like 6 to 12 months, from all my media buyers. Now, just so if you guys don't know, I actually have a team of 3 media buyers and myself, and we're always on to something. Okay, if we don't have something working on Facebook, we probably have something working on Pinterest. If Pinterest isn't working, we probably got something figured out on YouTube. But between 3 of us, actually 4, another guy who does it part-time, we have actually 4 campaigns running right now. Okay, and they're all using a very unique system that not everybody's doing. It's not the same stuff that everybody's teaching online right now. I haven't seen anybody teach us. Okay, I'm the only one that I know of that actually teaches this system, and obviously it's working. Okay, you can see the numbers, and you can't fake those numbers. That's a real screenshot from a ClickBank account, and if you look at the dates, it's from, we took the shot on last Friday, May 8th. Okay, so there's no way to fake that. Okay, you can't BS those numbers. This is a real affiliate commissions. This is not, I don't own a product on ClickBank. I'm not a vendor. Okay, I don't have commissions coming in on the vendor side of things. This is as an affiliate. Okay, we're running an affiliate offer, and these are affiliate commissions with a nice margin. Okay, now with ClickBank, you do get some refunds and whatnot, so it's kind of hard to tell exactly what your ROI is. But let's just say it's comfortable. We're not going to run those kind of numbers if we're not making a nice ROI, especially with refunds, and then they hold like a reserve and whatnot at ClickBank. That's just how things work. But we do have a system coming out. It's going to take me at least a month probably to get the thing fully ready in terms of the launch. I have to film all the courses. I have it kind of outlined already. And I've done, this is going to be my 4th product I've put out. So I kind of have a template that I use that works really well. I've had some successful students, like I mentioned earlier. But it's going to take me at least a month to film all the coursework. I got some shirts on order for the students. We're going to have a very nice a nice group coaching type of thing that's going to go on weekly after we launch. And then we're also going to have an opportunity, if you guys want to go one-on-one with myself and my media buyers and really take your game to the next level, there'll be like an upsell type of thing for like a one-on-one coaching. But the product's going to be fairly reasonably priced. Obviously, these are tough times for a lot of people in terms of the illness, and we don't want to make this thing like too far out of reach for most people that be watching this type of channel. But you know, again, I got to put a lot of work into this thing. It's a full-time job for me for the next like 30 days to just film all the videos and put together the PDFs and all the things that I put in terms of the images and the funnels, and it's a big project. Okay, and it's good. You'll get your money's worth. There's no doubt about it. Okay. Other than that, I have pretty much that's it. I just kind of wanted to show you guys what we're doing right now with the affiliate stuff. I want to let you know that the DES, the Digital Entrepreneur System, is in the works. And I do have a wait list below. If you want to go ahead and get yourself onto that wait list, I'll notify you as we get closer to doing our initial kickoff launch. You're going to want to get on this thing on the front end, because a lot of the stuff we're going to be teaching is going to be fresh. We're going to be putting a lot of images and stuff in there that have never been ran, and the stuff works. Okay, just plain and simple, the stuff works. What we're doing is a money system, and it's gonna make a lot of successful people this summer, and we're excited for you guys to be a part of that. So hopefully, guys, got some out of this video. Make sure you like the video. If you like those numbers, leave me a comment below, and make sure you get onto that wait list, and we'll get you started with the Digital Entrepreneur webinar, which will be coming up sometime in June. Talk to you soon. Bye.